Hi guys, have you been? It's a beautiful day, of course, and hmm, we're not giving up anytime soon because you guys giving up, giving up is not in our bucket lists. Yeah. So today, um, I'll be talking about a topic that touches women mostly. If you're not a woman, okay, you can still watch so that you can advise your girl or your girlfriends. So, it's about menstruation. Guys, I have had a challenge, and now that I found a solution, I want to share it with you so that we can all have a happy menstruation time. Yay! Tune on. So you guys, um, menstruation time shouldn't be like, it shouldn't be a painful time. You should enjoy your life whether you're menstruating or not. So guys, uh, I've been having painful menstruation kutoka high school and like kutoka high school. Okay, wait, tuseme kutoka hiyo time, and it's been very painful. Sometimes I sleep the whole day, other times I can't go anywhere simply because the cramps can't let me go. But you guys, now I have a solution. It's totally natural. Like me, I've never taken painkillers, and the reason why I don't take painkillers is because I okay, someone told me that when you do that, you get your body used to drugs, and when you get at a place where you can't get painkillers, then it gets rough. Maybe unaweza enda place then ushikwa na hizo cramps unaona painkillers, what will you do? See, that day it will be rough for you. So I just did some research, you guys, and I tried on it for like 2 months. It has really worked out. So you guys, I want you to try out, then you'll tell me the results, or if you have a different technique, or if you have something that you usually do to decrease your cramps, or to deplete them completely, you can comment, and let us learn from each other. Okay, all right. Let's get started. Okay, so you guys, the first thing, uh do exercises, like go work out like on your normal routine. If you can't be able to do all the exercises you usually do per day, just do a few of them, but just make sure at least you've done a few exercises, like skip rope, uh do a few press ups, you can go for a walk. And if the swimming pools are open, you can go swimming. But the swimming is another exercise that is very good for our bodies, especially the ladies. Yes, yeah, you can do something at least to activate your body and to reduce the pains on your lower belly. Yeah, yeah. Then something else. The second thing, don't eat. You can use little, or you do away with them completely during that period. The dairy products like milk. So guys, dairy products like yogurt, milk, and ice cream, they they make you more bloated because they hold the water inside your body, and you're not able to like process food faster, or your digestion is usually slower during menstruation, and your body is obviously gassier, like you feel bloated your 3 days or 4 days or 5 days that you menstruate. So for you to reduce these cramps and the bloating, you need to avoid dairy products like milk. I've already mentioned them. Yeah, the second thing, avoid foods like, yeah, salty foods. Not the second, the third thing. That thing, you guys, avoid salty foods like crepes, chips, all those salty, um what do you call them, salty foods. I'm looking, yeah, junk food is the right word. So avoid junk food, especially the salty ones. And maybe you can put little salt in your meals while you cook to avoid bloating, because salty foods have the same effect in your body, like they hold more water in your body. And when more water is held in your body, your gut is more, it gets more bloated, and a more bloated gut like adds pressure, yani inaongeza uzito, it adds pressure pressure. Let me use the word weight. It adds weight on your ovaries. So when the ovaries have much weight on them, of course they will need space, because there's something that is going on in your womb. So they'll need space to breathe, and that is why you'll feel more cramps when you eat such food. God, umewekwa ndani yangu si. Anyway, that is why you should avoid such food. Woo! Kukula ndizi mingi. Anyway, yeah. Yeah, guys. Okay, the fourth thing, don't drink a lot of coffee. Caffeine is proved to have high chances of discomfort, period cramps, abdominal pain, and it constricts the blood vessels. So caffeine iko na high nini, inaongeza discomfort kwa mwili juu ina constrict blood vessels. Constrict ni kama inazirestrict from doing their normal work, like inazuia. So you can avoid caffeine, and you can take other drinks that don't have caffeine. That includes, I think, alcohol. You should avoid alcohol when when you're rolling. An obvious thing, you shouldn't smoke when you're menstruating. Okay, I don't have much to say about that, because honestly, smoking, yeah, just don't do it when you're menstruating. It's not healthy for you, and it will worsen your cramps, and you don't want more painful cramps than you usually have or than you could have. If you can avoid something, just avoid it right away. Okay, the fifth or fourth, sixth, I'm not very sure. Avoid personal hygiene products like Douche gels. Douche gels. Those who wash their pussies with gels and, inside there. Okay, but there, let me just ask this question right here. Why would you clean your pussy, like inside? Why would you go in when you know very well that it is self-cleaning? It is self-cleaning. Actually, you shouldn't even use soap or brush. Water is enough. Like water tu, maji tu pekee. Imwagie maji baridi, uioshe na mkono, and it will be dope. You don't need to use gels for you to have a clean pussy. It is self-cleaning. Just eat your meals well, take enough water, drink a lot of yogurt, take a lot of pineapple and other fruits, and you won't need those gels. Just need water only. Yay, 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 yay. Yeah, guys. Yeah, I think we're done for today. If you have any other points, please comment. Let me know. Let us know. Let the community know. It's good when we share our knowledge so that we can be better people, and so that we can reduce or deplete the cramps, because we want to be happy like each and every day of our lives. Comment, guys. Subscribe if you haven't. Like, give me thumbs up. Share this video. Let girls know what they should do. Yeah, yeah. Bye. I love you. Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. Girl, took the long way. We will know we got there someday. They say I'll never never make it. But just look at us holding on. Still together, still growing strong. You're still the one I pray on, the only one I on. You're still the